Kingda Ka at Six Flags Great Adventure fell to the ground a few weeks ago, and now everyone is speculating what could possibly be the replacement for such an iconic roller coaster. We know for sure that it'll be some kind of record-breaking launch coaster, which could mean pretty much anything. Maybe an intimate LSM coaster like Velocicoaster, or maybe even a Vekoma. Well, the most likely option is one that many people hate just the idea of, and it's the Mack Extreme Spinning Tower Coaster. But I'm here to tell you why this is the perfect replacement for Kingda Ka. So before you click off the video in anger, let me explain. Kingda Ka was once the world's tallest roller coaster, and you could see it for miles on your way to the park, no matter which direction you are coming from. It completely towered over the park, and there was really nothing else like it for the locals. But it just got way too expensive to operate at the park, and at times, it was also pretty unreliable. But a Mack Tower Coaster would have the same crazy moments and presence in the park as Kingda Ka, while being much more reliable. And yes, I know that a full-scale layout like Ride to Happiness would be much better ride overall, but probably not to the GP, because it would just be another average roller coaster that spins. But when you make any coaster 400 feet tall, the GP will go crazy over how tall and fast it is, and they will say it's probably one of the craziest, if not the craziest roller coaster in the world. Another thing that people complain about is that this Mack Tower Coaster would be so simple and have a boring layout. And when you think about it, was Kingda Ka really that much different? No, it wasn't. It was a launch, a top hat, and then a speed hill. And this layout would most likely be a launch, a stall, and then a twisted tower, and then you come back down and do it all over again. Would this be better than Kingda Ka? Well, no, probably not, but the important thing is that this would have a similar impact on the park skyline as Kingda Ka used to. If they really want a new best coaster in the park, then they can build that smaller but longer coaster anywhere else in the park. But this plot of land is made for something really tall like Kingda Ka. And just think about how crazy this thing would be. There's really nothing else like it in the entire world. So, if you agreed with me on this, then comment down below. And if you didn't agree, then still comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, then please like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.
Crack it.